Alright, where we left off last lesson, we basically got the drawing set up for a mechanical drawing or an HVAC drawing so that the walls were showing up lightly. Now we basically don't have anything in the drawing. We have our reflected ceiling plan turned off, so I can type in lay on and turn that back on, or I could have went into my dialog box. At this point, what I want to do is I want to start doing some diffusers. Whenever I do my diffusers, it's basically going to be a symbol. So I'm not going to draw every diffuser the actual size it's supposed to be. For example, if I had a 12 by 6 diffuser, I'm not going to make it 12 inches by 6 inches. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to draw a 24 by 24 rectangle with an X in it. Before I do that, I'm going to go into my layer dialog box and I'm going to make a new layer. And I'm going to call it M for mechanical dash DIFF, and I'm going to make it color green. And I'm going to set that current, close this, and I'll come out here and I'll just simply draw a 24 by 24, close, and that would be my diffuser symbol. I'm also going to put in some text beside it, such as D1 and the air quantity, like 225 CFM. And we also have the option of looking to see what we already have. If we go into our design center and we go to drafting server, drafting share, and we look in our AutoCAD folder, and I'm going to bring that onto the big screen here. And if I look within my blocks, I'll see if I have one. It'll probably be under diffuser. Oh, there's the diffuser. So I can drag it and I can drop it. And I'm just going to close out of this design center. And there is my diffuser. This also comes with a donut that represents the direction of airflow, and this is a single one. So once this is in here, I can explode it, I can copy that, I can modify this text, I can do whatever I want with it. This also has the diffuser size on it, and in the case of this drawing, I'm going to rotate these 45 degrees so that they go through and fit in my ceiling grid. So the next step after you get these in here is to basically go around, and I'm probably going to have to explode my grid. I'm going to go around and I'm going to place my diffusers where they actually are according to my layout. So at this point, what I would do is I would go back to my my hand-drawn sketch of how I want everything to be laid out. Right here. And I could start laying out my diffusers exactly how I laid them out on the drawing.